I have some news for you guys. What is up, everybody? Have you all been enjoying the channel? Please let me know if you guys have been enjoying the channel. If you have been enjoying the channel, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button, subscribing, and hitting that bell, because those are the ways we run these numbers up and you guys can get better content from myself. And also, if you guys want to see what's going on in our daily life, y'all go look at Wrestling the Wilkinsons page. That is in the description below. That page is for you to go and check out our family, our entire life that we're doing, everything. Y'all go check it out. Okay, so just so you guys know, this is probably the last clip of the CBR video, or the beginning of the second clip. I don't know. Who knows? All I know is that the CBR I've sent off to about 6 different dealers, and 2 of them have shown interest. And I've also taken it physically to 1 dealer, and they said they weren't interested. They were going to be too low. But it's okay. We are now waiting on a call or a text back from one of the dealers that I sent the bike to originally. They said that they're right around the ballpark of where I want to be. This is gonna just be a quick flip because I don't have the time to put all the effort into that bike. We're waiting to see if he answers. If he does answer, we'll head about 20 minutes that way, 20 minutes east, or I guess 20 minutes southwest, to show him the bike, and hopefully we can make a deal happen. But if not, and he says he doesn't want to do it, then let's go into NPA and we're going to consign the bike. We're going to run it through auction on Friday of next week. We're going to see what happens. I hope he'll buy it from me, just because then I know how much money we have to truly spend on something either here, or we have another auction on Thursday. So we have back-to-back auctions Thursday, Friday. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Sorry for the back of my truck is a mess right now, so we need to clean this thing. But yeah, so that's what we're doing. We're waiting for a text, waiting for a call. We're waiting to decide if we're going to consign it or not. Yeah, come along with us and I'll let you guys know exactly what happens. I may or may not continue to give you guys profits. We're just going to keep this inventory rolling, trying to get more than 1 at a time. I'm hoping to starting to see, 2 or 3 each week, whether that be from 1 auction or 2 auctions. I'm going to try my best to get that going for you guys, so you guys see more than just 1 bike, every few weeks. I want to see 1 bike every single week in every single video, buying something or selling something. But anyways, make sure you guys like and subscribe, all the fun stuff that you guys know that I always ask you guys to do. If y'all really care, y'all can give me the HBO special. What's the HBO special? That's the Help a Brother Out special. I'm not talking TV. Help a brother out. Go subscribe. Go like. Go hit the notification bell. All the stuff. I'm putting my time and effort into doing a business, doing the videos, doing another business. It's just so much. Y'all go like and subscribe and do the things y'all would like if you had a channel, and we can all be friends. And we can all be friends. But thank you guys for watching, and we'll see what happens, y'all. What is up, everybody? I have some news for you guys. I don't know if you guys know this, which I know most of you don't. I actually got approved, and I decided to go with the flooring company. If you guys don't know what flooring is, essentially it's a business credit line that allows you to buy vehicles with credit. Instead of having to use your own money, you can use that money towards your rent or towards parts, things like that. But they'll cover buying vehicles, and that way you can buy more expensive vehicles if you know you can make money on them and not have to wait until you build your own lineup. Now, some people love flooring, some people hate it. Personally, I don't mind it. I've looked into it, but if it's gonna help make me and my family make more money, then we're gonna go through with it and we're gonna enjoy it, and we're gonna take advantage of it. So with that being said, guys, we just got done from the bank, had this thing delivered from South Dallas, and I'm excited to show you guys what this is. Oh my goodness. Part of me was really nervous for this, and some part of me was really happy because this is a big purchase with some big boy money. It would really hurt and really suck if I made a mistake on this, but good thing is I already have a buyer for it. So let's get to it.
So aiming on the beat.
So what is this exactly, you guys? Well, this is a 2016 Yamaha YXZ 1000 non-turbo, but I bought it from a dude who races these down at Texplex. And this was his wife's car, kind of her fun car that she no longer drives, so I picked it up. Some things, we're gonna go over a whole bunch on this vehicle. Things that it needs, if it needs anything. We bought this thing for really good. There's some updated tire rods. There's also an upgraded coupler. There's also a dog box monster transmission, Fox Live suspension, performance series. It's got its own custom exhaust, relocated radiator. It's gonna need a nice detail. Got brand new tires, so that's really good. Now the one thing about this thing, yes, you can see what is going on with this. This has been rhino lined, guys. And another thing, we might redo. We may not redo, but touch up. This was a blue cage, and so he rattle canned it. So we'll see. It's got its own custom up top. I think it's really, really nice. We're gonna move this forward real quick. You guys can kind of see what this thing's all about. It's got a nice little shift light here. So you guys can see what I mean. Go up for first, down for second. That's neutral. Down second, down for third. Or up for first, right? And you got a pull for reverse over here. But anyways, you have this here, brake. You got nice mirrors. You could probably make this street legal if you really wanted to, just with some turning signals and some brake lights. Actually, just turning signals. This would probably be street legal. So let's move this forward. Do you guys like that? I hella stalled this thing out. So this thing's definitely, that dog box is horrible. Like, that dog box sucks to get into first gear. Like, since actually getting my driver's license, I've probably only stalled 2 times in a car in my life. This thing is completely different. This race transmission, it's a very, very fine tune, and I just popped it, so that's fun. This is gonna be a money maker. I just want to give you guys a quick overrun. Dude, I am hot. I've been outside most of today. We have the funds coming in for this thing tonight, so it should be pay off from the bank tomorrow. This thing's got different levels. So this is 2-wheel drive. So right now we're running in 2-wheel drive. There is a 4-wheel drive and a differential lock, so that's really cool. And then of course you have your different light patterns here, brights, lows, and highs, all that stuff. So pretty cool. First side by side, huge purchase, you guys. We got everything taken care of. We're gonna have the thing sitting here. Who knows? We might take it to auction tomorrow.